final Sunday in the year 2024 in my neck of the garden in rural Jamaica, getting some show of blessing. I'm doing this video that I will remember these things, like a part of my history. 2024 was the wettest year since I've been on earth this year in Jamaica. This go down in history. Today I'm making some coconut oil on the last Sunday in the year. Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. First, me have to big up all of my subscribers, you know. But me say big up, I mean to say thank you for making coconut oil on this final Sunday. The best coconut oil. That's the oil that I mostly use. Take a look in the pot now. See them have fun, the hillbilly way of living. Coconut milk being boiled on the charcoal. So me stir it up. That's what Bob Marley would say. Stir it up. Little darling. Yeah, the pot. The farker lick the pot. It's a form of music. Big up every Jamaican, positive Jamaican. People from Ghana, Africa. Big up RV Jack. Always I watch the video them. Out of Ghana. Stone Breezy, big up yourself. Youth called Kingston out of Ghana. Big up my friend them in Kenya, South Africa. Big up all of the Asian people, them Philippine people. No, big up on yourself. India, welcome. Indonesia, Bangladesh, welcome. Americans, Canadians, Europeans, welcome. Them do stuff like these in a lot of Caribbean countries. South America. Special hello to my friend up there, Natasha in the USA. She love my channel.
Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel.
Thank you, my friend.
Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel.
Alright. Say it one more time, Natasha.
Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel.
That was Natasha, you know. All the way from the USA. We got my friend in Africa.
Good morning, man. Yesterday, me missed it off a legal issue, but me fish it out now. Yeah. So, big up yourself, Koja Country Lifestyle. I'm in here, Mali Brazil from Nigeria. Represent the giant of Africa and anything go. Respect, man.
Big up Nigeria, brother. Big up Mali Birdie. Nigeria.
Oh, big up, brother. Yeah, man. Keep putting the nice things, brother. Kojak, brother, lifestyle. Yeah, man. Keep representing Jamaica and the whole culture, brother. Me fi tell you, brother. Yeah, man. Fully endorsing by Natty Crooks, brother. Cause this is their brother. Culture. Roots are roots, man. God bless you, here, sir. Keep walking with faith, brother, and thank you, here.
Thank you, Costa Rica. Natty Crooks up there in Costa Rica.
I love it. Your energy is so top, you know.
Sure, I posted today of those lately, yeah. Farmer John and all. You know them way there? Yeah, man. Big up Farmer John. Big up the Massive and Crew said speed intermediate quick and fast. And thanks for the videos, okay? Ari, blessed love.
Yes, my brother, big up yourself. That pin one for up at Canada. Joe, you know. Slapping, dapping, wrapping Joe. See the coconut oil there, look how it look now. Oily. Final Sunday in the year, you know. Making natural homemade oil. Show off blessing on the final Sunday.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself, Rastafari.
I say King Major from down there in Ghana. So you love your rocks, King Major.
Hey, greetings, Willie Wilson. Yes, original King Major, aka Bamfada upon your line. Yes, Africa, home of reggae, you don't know. Yeah, we do a lot of reggae here. We love reggae too bad, you know. Too bad. That's real true, you know. Right now, I'm in West Africa, Ghana, Accra City, you know. Yeah. Alright, hope to see you one day in Africa. You have fun, you see everything in Africa, you enjoy it, you have a good time, alright? You stay blessed. May God take good care of you. Till we talk more later. Bye for now.
Yes, family, King Major in Accra, Ghana. Big up every massive inside of Ghana. Thanks for the love, my brother. See them are fans. Welcome to Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Avocado oil. This is coconut oil. You have the real good avocado oil too, and good oil them say olive oil. Along with the natural coconut oil. Not good for your health and well-being. As you can see, it bubbling. The color of the oil is very clear, crystal clear. Look there. See, pure. I planted the coconut them too. It's a God blessed thing. Plant and wait upon them for bear. From I was a young boy I plant them. So I'm proud of myself. Show off blessing we say. While me making me eye, look at it my fans. Remember, I'm not going to remember how 2024 did go. See, enjoy the rain. But you take a look on the aisle now, how clear it is now. Take a good look. Raining in jam down. Yeah, they will get to take up. Look at that part. Now finish it, but you see color of it. Very clear. This is good for drink a teaspoon of this stuff. You drink a teaspoon of it daily. Done my video, you know my fans, so thanks again for watching, you know. So it's going at 2025 and now coming up. God's willing. Please give the video a thumbs up or you can leave a comment. One love again.